Hey my friends, today I have something really awesome for you, and that is a partial time lapse of me doing a digital painting. And if you wonder, I'm not doing it in Affinity Photo, I'm doing it in Krita. The reason for that is it's an amazing software, it's completely free. I will link it in the video description. And I just wanted to try this software out, so I used it. Another thing, to make this not just a time lapse, I want to give you some advice, some ideas on how you can start it on your own with digital painting or using a tablet. So the best thing that you can do for yourself is, and this is what I'm also doing in this video, find artworks that you like and try to copy them. Because when you copy something, you learn a lot more than by trying it on your own. The reason for that is that every artwork is a visual puzzle. And if you don't know anything about drawing and how to create art, it's like trying to write a short story in a language that you don't understand, which is almost impossible. So a lot easier way to get access to the visual powers of expression is that you look at other artworks and see how they use the lines, how they use the colors, how they use the composition, how they use changes in the autonomy of the characters they are drawing to bring out expressions more alive and more emotionally than they would usually be. So copying and work is really a good idea. And another advice that I want to give you is, and this is a huge benefit of digital art, is you can draw a line or put down color as often as you want and go back and do it again if you're not happy. And you will see me doing this a lot in this video. So I have no problem with drawing a line 10 times, 20 times, 50 times if it must be, until I'm happy with the energy, with the expression, with the way the line sits on the drawing, and then I go on to the next line, because this is the way to learn. You fail and fail and fail and fail, and then you succeed, and then you memorize why it worked, and you do it 1,000 more times, and over time you get better. Exercise is the only way to get good at something. Forget about talent. Talent doesn't matter at all. Art is about skill and nothing else. Talent is maybe 0.5% of everything. The rest really is just skill and putting in the time. Okay, let's get started with the time lapse. And by the way, if you wonder, can you see the full length version of me doing the drawing? Yes, you can. It's a reward for my patrons. The video is, I think, over an hour long, so really you have to have good patience to sit through that, but maybe it's interesting for you.